Hello CraftDee Family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be creating this fantastic rug from carpet squares purchased from the Dollar Tree. They have a variety of colors for these squares, and I was excited to find this lovely gray color to match my home decor. Please see the description box below for all of the items I used in this project. This tutorial is super easy and I am so delighted to share it with you, but before we get started, I wanted to say thank you so much to my current and new subscribers to my channel. If you're a new visitor to my channel today and love DIY projects as much as I do, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will be the first to know when a new tutorial is ready to share with you. So now let's get ready to jump right into the tutorial. You will need 6 carpet squares from the Dollar Tree, Gorilla duct tape, a stencil of your choice. I chose the Buttercream Damask Design from Joanns, one stiff bristle brush, white permanent paint. I'm using this leftover Sherwin-Williams paint sample, and Delta's Textile Medium. The first thing you want to do is to take your carpet squares and lay them out with the backside facing up. Next, we want to secure the carpet squares together with the Gorilla tape. Now we're ready to prepare the paint. Pour some of the paint into a bowl and mix it to make sure it's nice and smooth. And then we want to add some of that textile medium, which will help the paint adhere and penetrate the carpet fibers. We're going to be using that stiff bristle brush for application to make sure we get deep into the carpet's texture. Flip the carpet over and center that stencil to the first square, securing it with a little painter's tape. Grab your paint mixture and dab the brush into the paint, being sure that it's not oversaturated. You can dab off any excess on the bowl or a paper towel. Start applying the paint to the stencil design and be sure to apply a second coat immediately after you finish the first coat. Once dry, you want to carefully remove the stencil and repeat this with the remainder of the carpet in your desired pattern. And here we are, all done. After applying our stencil, this turned out amazing. I mean, for $6, we have created a rug that could easily retail for so much more. This would be perfect for your living room, your bedroom, even be ideal for a child's play area too. And the best thing is, we have no worries if there's a spill or stain. These are easy to take apart and clean if needed. You can customize this rug by adding more or removing squares to suit your own taste, which would make this a truly personalized home accessory. Add your own home decor and wow, this whole vision just comes together. Listen, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments where you would use a carpet square rug. I love seeing everyone's ideas. Thank you again for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and don't want to miss the next one, go ahead and click that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.